helper?
Yes.
Okay, you're good.
Oh, yeah.
No, yeah, tira. Pestaña, mija, pestaña. I will fix this whole situation with that guy. Sorry. No, I look smart. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have some very special guests. We have this little one right here. And I have, oops, sorry, the little cheap little Amazon thing just showed in the background. So I have these two lovely ladies, Sarah and Samantha. These are my two cousins, nieces, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna be doing their makeup today. We're gonna be doing something very, very simple, young people appropriate. If you want to see makeup done on these two angels, keep on watching though. But first,
You have to subscribe, turn on notifications, and give it a big thumbs up.
all right, let's get started. Who wants to get their makeup done first?
Me.
Tarita? Okay. What kind of look do you want, my dear?
I don't know.
Because you have such a youthful, beautiful face, we're gonna do something very simple. We're gonna make your cheeks stand out a little bit. We're gonna just make you look very cute in a wink. I think you're gonna love this blush. This is Tarte. Like that one? Or do you wanna choose the one you want?
I want to choose.
There's this one from Makeup Revolution. Do you like that one? It's a butter blush from Physicians Formula. Mira, do you like that one?
I like this one.
I knew you were gonna like that one. That was actually my favorite one. A little bit of blush. Mira, que belleza. Look at your cheeks. Look how beautiful they look. They look like it went running in the snow, which Miami we don't have any snow over here. Honestly, this looks like these are your natural cheeks. Do you like these cheeks? I want to add a little bit of glow. Do you know what that means? What does glow mean? Right here.
Highlight.
She chose the best one, guys. This is honestly the best highlight of life. Okay, I'm in the camera. Así, poquitico, yeah. Beautiful, turn your cheek the other way so the people can see. Look at your little glow. It looks like you went running. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of bronzer, not a lot, just to give you a little tan, you know, that Miami tan. Out of these bronzers, which is the one that you want? ¿Cuál te gusta más?
I'm sure.
Oh, I knew it. We opted for the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. This is honestly, you guys know, this is my favorite bronzer ever. She has really, really good taste. Just gonna add a little bit of bronzer just right there on those cheeks. You see how beautiful it is up here in the temple, in the jawline. That is all we're pretty much gonna do. Perfect. Right over here.
We do the thing.
Oh, you want a thing. What do you want? You want?
The thing you put on your.
She wants a thing. So we're gonna do the chocolate bar palette. This is the semi-sweet chocolate bar palette from like 1,000 years ago. We're gonna be just using this brown right here to do like a little bit of a little wing effect, but very, very natural because she's a baby. A little bit of a wing, a little natural wing. Oh, it's a little too far, hold on. I'm gonna blend out. She has like the perfect little eyes. We're gonna use this color peanut butter. I'm gonna do this here, very natural.
And then just follow it.
Right there, softly, don't worry, I won't mess up your eyes.
That tickles me.
That tickles, I know. How do you look? You look gorgeous?
Yeah.
Sorry about this camera setup. It's cheap. What color do you want? Look at this. We have all these colors.
I think I know.
Oh, I love this one. This is what I'm wearing on my lips. She chose the Morphe Taunt, my favorite nude lipstick ever. Que belleza. Beautiful. She chose the most beautiful. You guys see how pretty this color is?
1 to 10. What are you giving?
Sarah.
A 10.
Oh, thank you. Before you go, do you want to tell my subscribers anything?
You better subscribe to her video.
That's a little threatening.
Can you please subscribe?
My next beautiful person. You're a little more technical. Come on here.
Yes. There's like
So,
cables everywhere.
I know. It's like, this is what I have to deal with.
Can I be your helper?
Yes. So we have Sammy here. She's actually my #1 fan, if you guys didn't know. Sammy, are you doing a full face or are you doing something natural as well?
Full face. Do I pick?
You can pick whatever you want, dear. Take all that crap out of there. It's a Too Faced Born This Way. This is a very, very beautiful foundation. Do you want to go wet this in the bathroom? Wet it and go like this. This is a brand new sponge. And I want to use a clean sponge on my client. I like to prep skin first, so I'm going to go in with a primer. Choose whichever primer you want, my dear.
This one.
It's so beautiful.
And I feel like it'll have a good smell.
It smells really good. It's very hydrating.
Yeah?
This is the Physicians Formula Hydrating Hydrant. See how soft it is?
Yeah. And
Walgreens.
oh, Walgreens.
I get everything from Walgreens, like everything. I'm obsessed. Let's get started, and we're just gonna do a few pumps of this foundation. Probably just do one pump because it's, you know, it's very natural. Just dot this on your face. Just a little bit, very natural. I'm gonna go in and blend it. Perfect. I want them to see how beautiful it looks on your skin. So beautiful on her skin. Like, you guys see this? How beautiful is that? Your dad is probably gonna be like, what is she doing? Why does she have so much makeup on?
I know, he gets used to it.
You do your makeup at home?
Yeah.
Sometimes?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty. You have a perfect skin, you know that? I mean, we all youthful people, young ones have perfect skin. Pick your concealer. We have the same brand, Too Faced. This is a really nice one.
Mm-hmm.
So she's gonna use that one because that's high end and she just wants to match nicely. A little bit, not a lot. A little bit here, a little bit there. We're gonna blend upwards. I'm just gonna go press it very, very softly.
I'm crying.
We're priming your eyes as well for eyeshadow. This is how I be doing people's makeup. I'm like, beautiful, 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 and they think I'm crazy. It's because I love people's canvas. You have a canvas.
I see
that?
her eyes so white.
Wait, that's a little too. Whoa, girl, hold on. It's okay.
It looks.
The camera. It's the camera. Okay, good. You're good in blend. We're gonna set that with some.
Is that like powder?
This is some powder. We're just gonna set that, and we're gonna set the rest of your face as well.
You blend so hard, which is. It feels good.
And we're just gonna set that. Beautiful. And then now we want to bronze the skin. What do you want to use for bronzer? So she chose the Skin Lights from Revlon. This is actually a very, very beautiful bronzer. It has a really nice sheen to it. See how much, like, it's more dense.
Yes.
I'm used to doing it.
Mother, do you want?
Look at you. Look at those cheeks. I failed. Look at that. Isn't it so pretty? You want the James Charles one, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is such a beautiful palette, isn't it?
I love it, and the colors are so bright.
I know. Do you want a bright look? What kind of look do you want? Natural, bright? What do you want? Sarah here is giving me all the brushes. We're gonna start off with this color right over here. We're gonna be blending back and forth.
Smoking.
Do you see how smoky it is?
Smoky. After her, can I put one of the pens?
Yeah.
It's good.
We're gonna try this one first because I don't want to go too red.
Yeah, the colors are so bright.
Do you like
It's
this?
pretty.
Do you have any eyeshadow palettes?
Yeah.
But not the James Charles.
Yeah, that's it.
What would you guys say if I tell you that this is gonna be your palette? You be happy?
Yes.
I barely use this palette. I'd rather give it to someone who will cherish it more. You guys would? A little bit more red, so we're just gonna apply that. Isn't it smoky? Look at. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, girl. I went a little too far. What color do you want on your lid? Tell me. Like on the shimmery lid.
This one.
Oh, she wants fire. Okay. Right there.
The brightest red.
The brightest red of all. I've only used it one time.
This time? Or no, last time?
One time.
That you bought it?
Yep. You like red?
Yeah, I like red.
I know you like
I
red.
like pink and
That's my
blue
favorite
and
color.
purple.
Your favorite color is red? Guess what my favorite color is, guys?
Pink.
Pink? You guys are gonna be very
Or
surprised.
white.
You guys are gonna be
Black?
Black is my favorite color.
Black, that's my second.
People think that people that like black colors are depressing, but I think black is very beautiful. I think it's very elegant. And define that crease a little bit. I'm just gonna add that.
Yeah, it's like smoky.
But it's pretty. Are you gonna kill me?
No.
She's gonna kill me, girl, not you. Perfect. I think you're good, Sarah.
Sarah?
Sorry, Sammy. You smell my breath? You smell my wine?
No.
Oh, you're hot. Oh, okay.
No.
Okay. You're good.
Oh, yeah.
No, yeah, sí, pestaña, mija, pestaña.
Just need the eye.
What do you want? You want a winged liner? I'm gonna be honest, I'm the worst when it comes to winged liner.
But you did good on yours. And
I
you
know,
did
but
it by yourself.
I'm so bad at doing winged liner for people.
My wing is closed.
Ay, Beco, yeah, molesté todo aquí, yeah. I did like a double wing of some sort there, I don't even know.
Yes, you did.
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
It's so dramatic. I will fix this whole situation you got going on. Sorry.
No, it looks
the worst.
it's cool. It's
You like this?
like a rat. See, it's like 3 lines there and looks like a tiger coming out.
You're the one who wanted liner, and I told you it wasn't gonna come out right. Oh my god.
Well,
Now I'm held responsible.
No,
I'm just kidding.
It's still good.
And then
Even if it's bad, no one's good at
after
eyeliner.
me is me, Peter.
Oh, I just messed it up even
You
more.
did the time.
Hold on, you know what? Go, do your own lashes, man.
Okay.
Alright, look at that. I feel like you can grab every lash. Look up, it's fine. Quick, done.
Oh, what?
Look up. Done, yeah.
Oh wow, that's so pretty.
Isn't it gorgeous? It's pretty. I love this one. This one you can get at Target. You have to get it at Target. You look gorgeous, girl.
Wow.
And she's always have to take a picture.
Beautiful, girl. Do you see your cheekbone? Look at that.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I just feel like I haven't used this color in so long. You know what I mean? I got perfect.
Go.
All right, guys, this is our completed makeup look. Look at this beautiful girl. How do you like it?
It's really pretty.
She came out super, super gorgeous, beautiful, fall-like. It's like perfect warm tone. Thank you guys so much for like being on my channel. If you guys like the video, don't forget, please give the video a like.
Subscribe. Give a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to her video.
And I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.